Hello and welcome back to the Sea Hag Plays Pikmin 2 for the GameCube. Here we go, delving into the White Flower Garden. I decided to do a totally separate episode for this because I want it to be easily navigatable between the between the caves. I know that there's a little bit of random generation, I think, to the caves, but I do want to keep them separate because they are a much more time-consuming part of Pikmin 2. So I really don't know how this is a garden. I know there's flowers later on that we have to use, but this does not look very garden-y to me. Yeah, I don't think I ended up losing anybody there. Alrighty. There we go. I believe this is the only item for this level, so we'll grab that and head back to the little pod. Yeah, this really just looks like a bunch of pipes. Bing, 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 bing. Shoe polish, but the name Alien Billboard. Yep. Alright, our gauge got depressed, so now we go deeper. Alright, we are now in the White Flower Garden. We do have a couple new enemies here. Ooh, a part. That was really quick. Something we do have that's new here. But not new to Pikmin in general, is we have our lovely fiery blowhogs again. Oh, there's the Dr. Pepper. Drought Enda. So these fiery blowhogs are very annoying. Of course, they do fire damage, so you want your reds to handle them because they are fire resistant, sorry, I should say. There we go. One thing you do have to be careful of, though, in these in this level is where the fiery blowhog is facing, because if he's facing the wrong way, he is liable to catapult your Pikmin off the edge and kill them. Like may have just happened. It's so pretty. Aw, petrified heart. Sounds like something out of a Disney movie. Let's take the whole family, shall we? And here is our actual White Flower Garden, where our Pikmin will, according to our ship, stare longingly as if wanting to be thrown. The Pikmin look as if they long to be tossed into the flower. Just make sure when you're doing this part that you're tossing reds in, because you don't want to lose any purples. Insert cutscene. Look, it's an alien. Oh, he burped. So these are white Pikmin. They are faster than the average Pikmin. They are not as strong as the average Pikmin, but they do have a poisonous effect, meaning that if you feed them to a bad guy, which sometimes you might want to, they do a huge amount of damage when they get eaten, as well as they can deal with poison hazards, of course, and because of their beady red eyes, they can actually... There we go. They can find hidden underground items. Boom, look at that. How cool is that? Nice. Oh, that I did not do that well. Well, I got some of them. Yay, we got tape. Super stick textile. I mean, I guess you could call it that. And off we go to delve deeper into this cave, the White Flower Garden. So now we encounter our new poison hazards. Fabulous. Okay. I just misremembered that, I guess. Oh, that'll do. We got the chapstick. It's name brand chapstick, that's how you know it's good. And we got Mario's mushroom. Do I have any? There we go. I feel like I'm missing something in this area. But it might just because they reuse... Yeah, it's just because they reuse... Okay, I think... Oh, God, moment of truth. Okay, good. Alright, so... This is where we have some fun. We're gonna face a Burrowing Snagret. We don't like Burrowing Snagrets. They are annoying. But there's only one. Just need it to come up. supposed to come up a certain way. Am I just not being patient enough or something? Alright, let's show you. I'm gonna show you something. There we go. You want to see the might of the White Pikmin, of the Flower Pikmin, or of the Poison Pikmin, not the Flower Pikmin. Uh-oh. Symptoms of poisoning? What? Doesn't do enough, but, you know, does something. Oh, shit. Yeesh. Let's do this. Oh, oops, I farted on you. Alright, come on. Wherever he is, wherever he is, just go. Baka to you too. Aha! I got something else that's gross and from the stomach of an animal. Greedy bastards. Also, oh well. And shablam. Name 5-man knapsack. This material looks comfortable. It basically gives us the ability to have a nap. When we nap, our Pikmin will take us back to our home base, be like their onion. Watch. Boom. And they take us all the way back. So it's a good way if you're injured or whatever, because you can get hurt as the captains, as Almar and Louis. You want to basically take the time to get back. That's a way to do it. I lost 4 Pikmin, but that's okay. We completed the cave. And we save. So really, this brings us to the last little bit of the day. We don't really have much else to do. Or at least not much else we can do right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to throw all of the red and purples back, because we just don't need them anymore today. We do need the poison Pikmin. Oh god. No. We do need the poison Pikmin because we do have to do the... we do have a couple of poison gates that we want to work on. Will I be able to get the poison gates done today? Hell no. It's just not gonna... No. It's just not gonna happen. But I can do some damage to them. That is good. That is good. We will be coming back tomorrow anyways. So that is going to take us all the way to sunset, because there's nothing else really for us to do today. And that'll take us to the end of this episode. Thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of the Sea Hag Plays Pikmin 2 on the GameCube. Not the remake, on the GameCube. We are playing this original. I do prefer the controls, and I do love my GameCube. It's probably my favorite Nintendo system I own. So let's see what the email says this time. Also, we need to process this was a very, very good day for us. How's progress, Almar? Remember, you'll never get anything done if you sit back and watch from afar. Be sure to hold R occasionally for a close-up view of the action and save. Thank you for watching this episode. As always, please like and subscribe down below. Leave a comment for any game you'd like to see me play in the future on this channel. And thank you so much for tuning in.